Good morning. Welcome to IPMWORKS, e-learning modules. My name is Ramon Albaces from Agrotecnia Research Center and University of Lleida. This video is part of the module 1, Agroecosystem Concepts and Theory, Holistic Approach to IPM. And I will present the chapter number 8, Open Questions for IPM and Discussion. This chapter has 2 parts. The first part will talk about weaknesses of IPM today, and the second part about inconsistencies between concepts and practices in IPM. First, weaknesses of IPM today. Here you can see the reference of the main source of this chapter. First, weakness. The farmer knowledge base. Participatory training programs such as the United Nations endorsed farmer field schools were criticized for their prohibitive cost, needs in personnel requirements, and insufficient scalability. Second weakness, IPM is seen by the end user as difficult to implement and risky in comparison with the pesticide use. And third, extension and advisory actions by a pesticide industry, mainly. Fourth, an insufficient research and technology transfer on IPM progress. Fifth, insufficient support of public policy to the adoption of IPM technology. And sixth, lack of multidisciplinary research to improve agricultural practices, not just on pest control. About inconsistencies between concepts and practices in IPM. First, really we integrate practices or just we juxtapose practices. Second, the importance of knowing action thresholds has been recognized, but how many thresholds for phytophages, diseases, and weeds do we know? And how variable are these action thresholds based on many factors? There are so many factors that influencing action thresholds that this can change every week, every month. Third, many advantages of IPM, but poor involvement of stakeholders in research, development, and technology transfer. You can also mention by yourself some inconsistencies you know in current IPM formulation and implementation, and discuss with your lecturer about these points. Okay, thank you very much for your attention.